YouTube? It's your girl Mya Monét. I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a hair video. As you guys can see by the title, you guys know what I'm gonna be doing. I just want to say two things, and that's following my Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's just hop right onto the video. Okay, I got one more thing to say, and that's I used one bundle for my ponytail, and I used like a few leftover pieces for my bang. So that's just a little thing I wanted to say. I would have used two bundles in my hair if I had to, because now I'm like really looking at it. Looking at the ponytail is kind of like, you know, not thin, but like, you know, it could have had a little bit more. It could have been a little more fluffy. But without further ado, let's have it. Okay, so I fly in my hair, and my hair is so freaking stiff. Like literally, my hair got oily. Like y'all, it's so like it's not. You know, it ain't give what it's supposed to have gave in my last video. But as I told y'all, like I braided my hair before this. It's still gonna slick up either way it go, because I've done a real sleek ponytail with oily hair. Okay, now I finally parted out my two bangs. I'm just gonna rubber band them really tight, so not even one piece of strand can accidentally, you know, get slicked in the wrong direction, because that would just be annoying. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna part my hair. Okay, now that you got your first one slick, and this is pretty slick, y'all like, girl, what? These my edges, y'all. They look a little raggedy. My edges never get that straight. But now that you got your first slick, now I'm just about to proceed to the back. Y'all can see the back in this mirror right here. I'm not really trying to show y'all that, cause like, yo.
the hard but the queen has been overthrown, and I'm not sleeping now.
Okay, now that y'all see my hair is all slicked up and I pulled my edges out. I'm not going to do no extreme edges. One, because I don't even know how to do edges. And two, I don't know how to do edges. So now what I'm about to do is just take the rubber bands and stuff off my hair. Let me pause this music. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run away with it too. I know y'all be seeing that TikTok. Definitely. That made me cry. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just take my hair, separate it into 3 sections, and just braid it. Okay, so now we're gonna take my worst enemies, and if y'all know what I mean by worst enemies, then y'all know. But I'm just gonna I like to kind of pull them, because I will hate for me to actually pull it too hard and it rips on me. I would just hate that. So I just like to pull them before I use them. Like anytime, even if I'm doing my edges, I like to still pull them. Who cares? Yeah, you start at the bottom. I'm just gonna take it. It should be wrapped so tight that when you let it go, it's not unraveling all the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some right here. I'm gonna put a decent amount because I really don't want this strip to fly off my head. I was gonna create like this little bend right there, just like that. You want it just like that. As y'all can see, this hair right here is curly, and this is called loose deep. So now I'm just about to start wrapping my hair around the braid. You guys could kind of see me in this mirror right here. And then like when I first started using this glue, I always used to just think like, oh my god, it smells so freaking bad. Right now I'm just taking the hair and I'm literally just like going up, like little piece by piece, literally just going up. And I'm trying to keep the bundles from tangling up by doing that. That's why you guys come to keep on seeing me doing it. Okay, so now that I'm at the top, I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right there, and I'm just gonna keep wrapping around until I'm satisfied. Way around, I'm just gonna take a little strand of my hair, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the bottom. This is not to create the base. This is just to secure, to make sure that your ponytail is secure. What you're gonna do is just take a strand from the back of your ponytail. You're just gonna want to spray it, and then just start to wrap it around. So far it's supposed to look like this. My hand is so freaking sticky from the Gosta face spray. Just gonna keep on wrapping it. This piece of hair is so long, it's just wrapping for days. And you could cut it. I could have cut it, but didn't really want to. Okay, so I decided to do my edges off camera because I finally found my edges, and it was taking me so long just to do this little bitty swoop, and you can't even really see this one, but you can see this one. my hair, my ponytail is curly, even though this is straight. This is the last hair that I have left. And so first thing that you're gonna start off by doing is parting the hair at the bottom. So you're gonna part right here. You know, make sure it's a straight part or whatever. And I start off with a little bit of hair because sometimes when you put too many tracks in your bang, it can look really bulky. Like I see some girls, their bangs be bulky. So I'm just gonna take that piece, flat iron it. I'm gonna get it really straight. So I cut it and now the ends look like this, which is a lot shorter than what it was, which is perfectly fine. You guys can't see how long it is, but I'll show you guys in a minute. So you're just gonna take your glue and be very generous with it because my hair is oily, so it's gonna probably slip right out. So I'm gonna use a lot. You should use a lot too. It's not gonna pull out your hair as long as you know how to take your glue out the right way. Good. So it's covering up. Just gonna kind of comb it. Brush it and hold. Comb. Oh my God! What is this? As you guys see, I got my bang and it's right on top of my eye. So now I'm just gonna do this bang the same way, and I'll be back. Ooh, like I just think it's so pretty. I got my little bangs. I wish I would have used curly hair, but you know I didn't have any more left. I might end up curling it later on. I really like the hairstyle. I think it's so cute. My next hairstyle is gonna be so cute. I feel like you guys are gonna like it. So if you guys really like this hairstyle, make sure you guys leave a like and make sure you guys leave a positive comments or negative, you know, don't care. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Make sure you guys watch my last video, like I said in the beginning, which is a Shein haul, and I know you guys like Shein hauls. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.